Well, all I gotta say is, I hope someday somebody's nice enough to do this for me.
Modified exhaust systems serve no purpose other than to create fear.
Oh my God!
Chaos. And intimidation.
So my boss, Tyler, well, let me back that up. Big John used to be the owner of Parkdale Auto, where I work, for like 15 years. He retired, and his son bought the business. Well, long story short, Big John used to have an IROC back when he was in high school. He ain't got it no more, and it's not something he would ever buy himself. So his son went ahead and did it for him, and he has absolutely no idea that we are about to give it to him today. Cash money, did a killer job of washing it, but then when we brought it back over here to hide it, it was raining, so he's giving her a quick wipe down, and we're gonna try to sneak it back over to the shop. I'm gonna park it behind the building between the dumpster and one of our customer buses. That way, hopefully he don't see it until we're ready to unveil it. I gotta tell you, 16-year-old me is freaking out right now. I wanted one of these so bad. Don't tell nobody. Now we wait till Tyler gives the word.
Auto value, not just for what they did today, but what they've done for us always. So thank you guys for everything you do. And we've got some great people that we partner with here. You know, Duneside Auto Glass is in the house, and Michael Link from Link's Body Shops is here. So thank you guys for coming out. Yeah, I told all the guys in a speech the other day, in an end of the day meeting like we do, that I butt heads with this guy sometimes, and I think I know that's really, calm down, Grandma. It's not that funny. Okay. Wow. But truly, without those two guys taking a risk on this place 15 years ago, none of us would be here and doing what we do and getting what we get to do. I just want to turn it over to Big John real quick, let him say something, and then I'll finish it up. But thank you for everything you do for all of us.
Well, it is a journey, there's no doubt about that. And good things are still to come. So I'm back, it's good to be back, doing what I can do to help the crew. It's a different position and I love it. I love seeing old customers that come in the door. The guys in the front counter are killing it. You text back there. I think we say this, we pinch ourselves, we got the best crew ever. But thank you for putting up with me. Thank you for letting me leave. Thank you for letting me come back. My wife thanks you more. And yep, she does. So that's pretty much it. So thanks again for coming out. If you need any more food, we'll fire up the grill again. We got lots of it.
All right, well, I want to grab the Team Parkdale crew. Where's my Team Parkdale crew? Why don't you guys come up here with me, will you? It's getting stronger, and now there's kids being added. It's just all fun to grow, and it's really awesome to see where it's happening. We've had some new additions. Everybody knows Stacy. Stacy's been here forever, and Dakota came on board about, I don't know, it's been almost 2 years ago now, so he's doing a great job up front. Jamie came to us through Scooter, because, you guys, nephew? Yeah. And then everybody knows Scotty down here. He's been here forever. Nico came on board this year. If you're new here, he's new to us. He's kind of come in and just fit like a glove, and so that's been awesome. And Jordan Parker down on the end, he came to us, and I thought he wanted to buy a car. That's how he got the job. Was he submitted a credit app, kind of. And I asked, what kind of car are you trying to buy? Well, I'm looking for a job. All right, so that's how that worked. And Alex came over to us. We kind of robbed him from a parts store across town. They didn't give us any giveaways, so we're not even gonna mention their name. That's for you guys. Cash, Billy, and Sarah, we have a great crew here, and through all the changes, one thing has been consistent at this place, and that's Big John's had our back. And it's Father's Day weekend, and the big guy's gonna be 60 this year. Can you believe that? I can't believe that. I knew he was getting old. Where's Badger? I'm just going down the line. I'm like, where's Badger? Badger, you out back? Badger, you getting the new floors dirty? Well, you know, since I was a kid, I've wanted to do this, Dad. Happy birthday, buddy. He had an 85 IROC back in the day. Jordan and I went down and found one down south, and I hate lying in my hand. He called me 3 times that day, and I ignored him every time. And I had to, like, my mom was like, are you going to come over? And I'm like, Mom, you know I'm going to do this thing. So, big guy, I love you. I can't tell you enough. You've had my back here, you've had my back with the band, you've had my back time and time again, and I feel like everybody in this group can say the same thing, and truly none of this would happen without you, man. And I'm building a garage for it to go in for you.
Nice!
My why is for this place. It's so much more than selling cars, it's so much more than fixing cars. We get to be a part of a cool small town community. We get to sponsor race cars and drag cars and youth events, and that's our why.
Turbo Town.